So it's a beautiful night out here. I want to get out and get another camping night in. Don't know how many more of these we have left. But I'm going to do a little cookout, throw the instant tent together, and have a little fire. So welcome to the channel, everybody. It's a nice, calm evening down here at the lake. So we're going to go into the woods now and try to find some sticks and firewood. Got all kinds of sticks in here we can utilize. Big old pile of them. Pretty instant. Love this tent. Zip it to keep the bugs out of there for now. A couple tears from, I'm assuming, rodents. A little duct tape here is what we'll use. I got all this lined up here to start splitting. No problems, only solutions. So I love browning up the stencils. Great camping food. This was applewood smoked sausage by Wrights. I like it. There's just nothing like camping and cooking over a fire, and then you hear the sounds of August. Nothing like a toasty fire and hearing the sounds of August, all the crickets, katydids, and other bugs and critters. Alright, fire's out. Time to turn in. So it's a beautiful night for camping. It's about 60, low 60s out here. So I'm in the tent here. Air mattress is going to be a little rough. So I'm not a big fan of this air mattress. But I love the sounds of August. I get up and see if the moon's around. Well, I don't see any moon in sight, just a bunch of stars. So, just got my shower. I'm wide awake now. Just a pretty amazing time of year to be camping. But I know my two little friends, Cupcake and Prince, are going to be excited to see me. So, with that said, hope you enjoyed this one. If you like, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Go for a walk, come on. Alright. You can tell it's gonna be a hot one when you hear that sound. That's an annual cicada, what you're hearing. Wanna jump in the lake, Prince? You gonna jump in the lake? Huh? Alright, you guys. Yeah, you can hear all these cicadas around here. They're so loud. I get a kick out of these two walking everywhere with me. She beat me. Come on, Prince, let's race. Ready, set. Come on, Prince. Ready, set. Oh, now you want to move. Okay, good. Oh, we made it back home. Maybe too exhausted from the walk. Well, we made it back. Now I gotta do some work.